Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Camera is missing, camera is not working, so how to fix it? So first guys, click to start, type device manager, open it, and then find out camera and right click, extract it, select and right click to uninstall it. Do not check this box, uncheck it and then click to uninstall. After that it will remove it and then click to action and then click to scan hardware changes. Okay, then it will come again, then select this, right click to update driver, then close it. After that click to start and then click to setting, then click to app, then click to install. Scroll down, you can see camera, then click on three dot, advanced option, scroll down. So first click to reset, then click to repair. After that click to terminate. Okay, and then close it. The next and very important, repair Windows system file. Click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator and then type sfc scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. Now 1 to 100% it will start it. Okay, when it is 100% is completed, then need to restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.